Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Book Lovers, and today finally I am making a long form video, and what I want to share with you guys is that basically those who love books, I'm sure everyone search for beautiful book box subscriptions. I have been looking for it for many years, and in India it was not available. Trust me, I bought a lot of mystery boxes and a lot of subscriptions, but the quality of the books, and they mostly send you old books. So finally this problem has been solved, and who has solved it? It is Melodiunix book box subscription. So basically I got introduced to this concept 4 months back, and I wanted to film this for many months, like for the last 4 months. But when this arrives, I cannot wait to open it, and every month I have opened it without filming it. But today when it arrived, like this is the April book box, and when this arrived I was like, I am going to make the video and I will be posting it in my channel so that at least a few people gets to know about it and they can try this. Okay, so basically now I think they have two options. One is vanilla book box, another is the dark chocolate book box. And in the vanilla book box they will send you light-hearted books, and all are recently published. Some are even not yet published. So you are it is like no one should worry about that you are going to get a book which you already have, because I was worried about it, because I keep on buying books and it is very difficult that you get something which you don't have. But they always make sure that they are sending books which are recently published. So today I'm going to open this in front of you. I haven't opened it, you can see this is sealed. So I'm going to open this with you, and I'm going to share how everything how beautifully they pack everything and they send it to your uh, houses every month. So I'm going to unbox it and show you to you guys. Okay, so sorry I can't show you the unboxing part, but yes, this is the inside. You can see how beautifully it is packed. Actually, and no one knows what books are there inside. This is great. So this is a letter. This is a letter, a thank you card, and they have written I still can't believe this is real. And of course I can also not believe that this is real. You're getting something so beautifully, and not only they send you books, they also send you some goodies along with it, along with bookmarks and everything. Okay, so let's see. Okay, wow. So this is the first thing. This is the first book. This is I think this is a book. No, this is not a book. This is okay. Wow. uh, this is an extra thing. I think there are two other books inside. So this is A Study in Scarlet by, of course, the famous Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. And this is very beautiful. I mean, this is a card from Vietnam. I think I know that she visited Vietnam, the owner of this particular book box, and I think she always puts something in these beautiful book boxes which she makes wherever she visits. Like last time I think she went to Jaipur Lit Festival and she sent this is one thing I'm already hanging in my room. So there are beautiful things which she kind of handpicks those stuff, and I really like it. I love it. Basically, like is a very light word for it. And this is another bookmark, very beautiful. I mean, very nice. Okay, let's see what other things are there inside. I'm always excited to find out what are the things she sends. Like every month it's like a surprise. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is broken. That's not her fault. This is of course the fault of the courier company. They haven't handled it well. But this was like a jar. Okay, okay, fine, it's okay. There were chocolates inside, and this is right now broken. It's okay. It's completely fine. It's not her mistake. um, but I am a little bit sad right now because this jar was so beautiful, and this is glass, so I have to handle it well. So yeah, these are the chocolates, and here the broken glasses are there inside, so I have to handle it properly afterwards. The packaging was so good, but still it has broken, because I'm sure they haven't handled it properly, like which most of the like when it comes from a long distance, so this happens. So yeah, it's okay. Okay, there is another thing inside. This is a coffee. Wow, this is also, I love coffee and different kinds of coffee. So yeah, this is another thing. I have to make this and read the books. Okay, now let's come to the next. Okay, there is another thing. See, there are so many things inside most of the time. You have a, wow, this is so beautiful. This is really, really pretty. Wow, the color is also so nice. So see, these are all the goodies which basically you get from the with the box, and you don't even know what is going to there inside. So that is, I think, the best part. Okay, now finally the there is another thing. This is a pen. Most in all the boxes there are different kinds of pens I have received till now. Beautiful highlighters, beautiful pens. So every month she's sending all of this stuff. So that is like, I really like it. Like when you get something, this feels like a surprise. You are treating it to you. Like last month, okay, one thing I will tell you, that you have to buy it before. Like it is like a subscription. It is not that you will get it now. No one can purchase it, these box now. These books you will not get it in this month, but you will get it next month. Like the May subscription, the most of the times they open their booking around 20th of every month, and then this kind of share some of the snippets and some of the information about the books they are going to send you. But the book you will get, the box you will receive next month. That is the thing. Okay, so these are the two books. Let's open it. Okay, the bookmark is very, very beautiful. Like I love this. This is very nice. Like wow. And there is also some information every time you get an information about all the books she's sending. Okay, every time. So here some information is there. I don't want to see the name. I want to see which book is there. That is, I think, and I get to read so many beautiful books because of this particular book box subscription. Because sometimes I don't even buy these books, even when I go to a bookstore. I don't know, every time these names doesn't go with me, but then when I read these books, they are very good. This is No Such Thing as Monday by Cyan Hughes. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. And this is from Booker Prize long listed author. Okay, fine. This is going to be beautiful. This is a short read also, so I guess this is pretty good. And that's why I think, you see how well the bookmark is going with the book. So I can use this bookmark while reading this book and sipping the cup of coffee, right? So this is the first book. Okay, let's see the next book. So this is the bookmark. It's the information about the book, which I will not read, definitely, to keep it a surprise. And let's see. Wow, the book is so pretty, right? One is black, another is white. I mean, both of the colors are my favorite colors. Okay, so this is by Tayari Jones, and the name of the book is Kin. And the best part is, both the names of both the authors and both the books I don't know. So this is like the best part. So I'm going to read the blurb also later on and try to find out what the books are about. This is the book. Beautiful. Like you just look at it. Even there is a glossy finish to the book. I mean, superb. This is the book. This is wow. I think there are multiple POVs also. I hope so. I don't know. Fine. I have to see what the book is all about, and I'm going to find out after I read them, of course. So this is what the book box is. Every month I am getting this. This is like a treat to me, treat to my eyes, and I feel so nice. At least, even if someone thinks that no, I don't want to read more books, I just want to read 1 or 2 books every month, and I don't know what to pick up, I don't know which book to pick up, I'm so confused, you can go for this particular concept. If you love thrillers, then you can buy their thriller boxes. If you like normal books, whatever you want to, like lit fictions and all these things, then you can buy the vanilla book box. Right now I'm not buying the thriller book box because I am not into thrillers that much right now. I am reading a few thrillers, but I just don't want to read thrillers right now. I'm just trying to explore all the other genres, and I want to read them, because thriller is always very captivating, you know, always thrillers give you a different kind of hook. It's beautiful. But I want to try all the types of books, so that's why I am not buying the thriller book box. I every month actually, I just last month I know that I just went to the payment gateway also. I gave my address and everything, but while I was making the payment, I stopped myself that no, I'm not going to buy it this time. Let's see what happens next time. I don't know I will be able to control myself or not. But yeah, so this is it. This was my video. These are the two books which I got. Both are beautiful, I mean, awesome. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will try to link down their page in my description. So if you want to go and check it out, you can buy, you can of course go and subscribe and enjoy. Okay,